Hey there! Welcome! In this video, you will learn how to configure access to the dialer domain, authorize IP addresses to connect to the softphone and make calls, and set permissions for downloading CDR recordings. The whitelisting options are available under the Settings menu. Click General Settings, and then go to the Access Control List tab. Let's start with the Web ACL section. Here, ACL stands for Access Control List, and FQDN means Fully Qualified Domain Name. To learn what a fully qualified domain name is, follow the link on the screen. First, move the Enable IP ACL toggle to the right to allow access to the domain by IP addresses or FQDNs. Enabling this option will block all IPs except those you have added to the list. Please make sure you have added your IP address first. Otherwise, you will not be able to access the dialer domain. Filters help you find the necessary data. You can search by a few parameters: IP or FQDN, state, and description. Also, you can use Quick Search to look for relevant information. The table contains the following columns. All lets you select items for further actions. The next one contains IP addresses or FQDN names. The state column shows if the IP is enabled or disabled. Description has details on IPs or FQDNs. For example, here we have Tbilisi Office IP. The Actions column lets you enable or disable IPs or domain names, as well as delete them from the list. To add items to the list, click Add New. In the pop-up window, enter an IP address or a domain name, a description, and select the state. Then, click Add. You can also add multiple items. Click Mass Insert and enter new items separated by commas. Enter the description, select the state, and click Add. If you want to enable, disable, or delete several lines at once, select the needed lines and the action you'd like to perform. And then click Process. To apply an action to all the lines, choose All instead of Selected Only. To limit the list of countries allowed to access the domain, toggle Enable ACL by countries to the right. In the drop-down list, pick the relevant countries. IP and country limitations work well together, so you can use both of them. Also, you are welcome to select only one feature or neither of them. Now scroll down to SIP IP ACL, and enter IP addresses for registration with SIP devices, softphones, and WebRTC. Without whitelisting IPs, the softphone will not register. Leave the option with zeros to allow any connection, or follow the format example on the screen and separate IP addresses with a comma. Then, in Public Recordings ACL section, toggle the slider to the right if you want to allow third-party download of files with call recording. Also, specify the IP addresses you want to whitelist for such downloads. We also recommend referring to the General Settings Guide to learn more about dialer settings that you can adjust according to your needs. When done with access control lists, click Save. Thanks for watching.